equipped with John Deere C12R 12-row 30-inch corn heads. These machines feature a special 75th anniversary decal marking over 7 decades of John Deere self-propelled combine production. The S790 is a Class 9 machine powered by a 13.5-liter John Deere 824 cubic inch diesel engine rated at 543 engine horsepower. The S790 is fitted with a 330-gallon diesel fuel tank. It features a 30-inch diameter rotor for threshing grain and has a 400 bushel grain tank storage capacity, which can unload at 3.8 bushels per second from a 28.5-foot unloading auger. According to JohnDeere.com, from model year 2022, the S790 combine has a list price of $740,672. The C12R cornhead has a list price of $164,753. Now that you know a little bit about the S790, I would like to take you for a ride in the combine's cab to visit with the farmer Billy and talk with him about what he likes in operating this big machine, his history in running John Deere combines on his farm, and what he likes about harvesting with the S790, covering 11,000 acres of corn on his farm each year. Nice day for combining corn.
Yeah, it is. I'd like to get rain now. We get some rain on my page. It's a good day.